Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So the Panasonic G85 Autofocus is something that I've talked about before, and I'm going to continue talking about because I feel it's important for people who actually have this camera. And so today what I'm going to do is try out the autofocus for people who are vloggers, especially for people who actually do this outdoors and are in motion. So right now I am testing out the AFC, which is continuous autofocus, in eye tracking and face tracking mode, and this is the mode that I use the most consistently. Now I have tried all the other modes before, and I have done videos on all of these, so today I'm just primarily just test out the face and eye because that is the one that I use the most. So this is Autofocus Continuous, and I will say that I am shooting this in 4K, so if you do this in 1080p, your autofocus results will be better. And so I'm not sure how this looks because I'm looking at the small screen. It looks like it's focusing, but it also looks like it's blurring out as well. So let's go ahead and try out the other autofocus modes, which is AFS, autofocus single, and AFF. So now I'm trying out the face and eye tracking in AFS mode, and right now it looks like it's tracking, so I'm not sure how it's doing. It looks like it's focusing, but at the same time it looks like it's blurring, although it doesn't seem like it's as bad as when I was using Autofocus Continuous. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and try out the last mode, which is the AFF mode for face and eye tracking. And so now I'm testing this face and eye tracking in AFF mode. And so right now it works very similar to AFS, meaning it looks like it's actually getting into focus a lot more often than it does with AFC. But I won't know for sure until I actually get this on the monitor and then give you my final thoughts on using AFC, AFS, and AFF whenever you are vlogging, especially if you are outdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.